Welcome to Easternparadigm. I am Priya Brahmo. Dear viewers, at AP, we are unwavering in our commitment to providing our readers with meticulously researched content. So, as the Israel-Palestine conflict entered Day 7, we will talk about the Israel-Palestine conflict. Ongoing security alert in New Delhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stand on Israel-Palestine issue. Former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee stand on Israel-Palestine issue. Security alert in New Delhi. New Delhi is currently on high alert. The reason for this heightened state of security is the escalating conflict between Israel and Hamas. Delhi police have deployed a significant number of officials and resources throughout the city. The focus of this security deployment is particularly intense during Friday prayers. The intent is to ensure public safety and prevent any potential unrest related to the situation in the Middle East. Increased security measures. Security measures have been significantly bolstered around Jewish religious establishments. These measures also extend to the Israel embassy in Delhi. The objective here is to safeguard these locations against any potential threats or disturbances. It is noteworthy that similar security precautions have been taken in several other countries. These countries include the United States, the United Kingdom, France, and Germany. The primary concern shared by these nations is the possibility of protests and threats arising in connection with the ongoing Israel-Hamas conflict. Existence of Jewish people in India. Judaism in India has a long history dating back to antiquity. Indian Jews have a history of assimilation into local cultures. The Jewish population in British India peaked at around 20,000 to 50,000 in the mid-1940s, but declined due to immigration to Israel after the partition of Palestine. Baghdadi Jews arrived in India in the 18th and 19th centuries. Ben Menashe, Ben Ephraim, and other Jewish groups claim various ancestries. European Jewish immigrants came to India during World War II. Jewish communities and synagogues are found in various Indian cities. Most Indian Jews have migrated to Israel, with around 70,000 now living there. Indian Jews in Mumbai are predominantly from the Ben Israel and Baghdadi Jewish communities. Reminders of Jewish localities, such as synagogues, can still be found in Kerala. Many Jews from Calcutta have also migrated to Israel over the years. Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi stand in the Israel-Palestine issue. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent statements on the Israel-Hamas crisis marks a significant shift in the India-Israel relationship. In just a few decades, India has transitioned from not having diplomatic ties with Israel to expressing strong support for the nation during times of crisis. This transformation reflects the evolution of their bilateral relationship, which initially faced resistance from Indian leaders who sympathized with the Palestinian cause. However, since establishing formal ties in 1992 and trade relations have flourished, making Israel India's second largest defense partner. This change is noteworthy, especially given India's historical tendency not to take sides in international conflicts. Former Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, in a video from 46 years ago, supported Palestine and called for Israel to vacate Arab-occupied land, emphasizing the need for a peaceful solution in the Middle East. His comments have resurfaced amid the ongoing Israel-Gaza conflict. These were the insights on different aspects of Israel-Palestine conflict. We will be back with more such reports. Till then, stay tuned with Eastern Paradigm.